Hi there, it's Jason here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and today is September 13th, 2020. And I just want to apologize. I've been away for a while. It's been about 3 weeks since my last video. I believe we were somewhere over here on the 21st when I was telling you it's going up and it's going down. It's going up and it's going back down again. And then finally it broke out to the upside. So anyway, as you can see right here, we have a low and a lower low. And we have a low and a higher low on the indicator of choice. Okay? Then our entry would have been right there, stop right there, 83. And we got 356 pips that we rallied up to the top from that craziness over here. Whatever made it do that, I don't know. They sure did shake up some people though. So anyway, that was a good divergence trade. And then up here, when we were up here, I did not ever expect it to go way down here. Okay, and take out all these lows. If anything, maybe come down to here and then continue upward. Because we were in a beautiful uptrend. But no. News came in and down she went. I heard part of the news was Brexit. And the other part of the news was something to do with cases going up for the, you know, the coconut virus, let's call it, because I can't say the other word. They might delete my video. I'm not mentioning anything bad about it. I'm just, you know, I'm just saying that I think that was the causes of why it went all the way back down there. And if you know different, send me an email and let me know. I'd like to know if you know something else. You can reach me at number 4xpipsnagger with 1G at gmail.com. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. And down it went here. Here we go. Woo! And down like 500 and 600, man. It's like insane. Okay, let's take a look at the euro. Oh, I got a whole bunch of lines on there. Hold on. Okay. So, 3 weeks ago it took us over here. We had divergence here, and boom, it went up. We had more divergence here. And she went down. Got in right there. There's 100 pips. And there's 100 pips. Got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And then we had divergence setting up here, but you can see I already drew it out, but it did not play out. So we swing it down to there. Swing this over here. And whammo, we got divergence. Ding, 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 ding. And right in here we would have got in, and up it went. And the cash register would have rang. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I'm a crackerjack today. All right, and we go to the Aussie dollar. This is 3 weeks ago. We had a double bottom right there, ladies and gentlemen. Boom shakalaka. And right here, and it sticks out at you like a sore thumb. Boom. So you would have got in right in here, and a little sideways there. So 59 pips stop, and it went up 220, ladies and gentlemen. Then there's more divergence up here. But let's make it bigger so we can see it. Like this. Doo-doo. And it was like this. Something like that. And down she goes. 63 pips. Jeez, my mouse is falling off. Sorry about that. My mouse is falling off the pad here. It's drunk. The mouse is drunk. Okay. Jesus. Okay. 62 pip stop. She went down a total, did not cross back up, stayed in the trade. She went down 163, so you definitely would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay? Let's check out the yen now. The yen was just crap. Crapola. 3 weeks is back here. There's no divergence here to buy it, to go up. And I see divergence in one spot, and it's right here. Okay? I'll show it to you, but it don't mean jack shit. Because it came down too far, too fast. Okay? Me, I would have rather wanted this, a few more candles up here, and then a slow, fall, right? That would have gave us the setup. But who wants to get into a trade down here, after it fell like 80 pips, which is unusual, okay, for the yen. It's like trading the pound and it dropped like 400 pips and it gave you a divergent signal. You don't want to get in short after it dropped 400 pips. It's the same thing here. So it's like what I call you. It's like what I call, not you. It's like what I call too far, too fast. I will not get short here, even though it went down another 60 pips here. But if you're sitting there waiting for it to go down 110, it didn't happen, as you can see. So then there's no divergence down here. Then, yeah, well, there's kind of divergence there, but it never really went anywhere. It's just a joke now, going sideways. Okay, let's look at the CAD. And the CAD, we do have, I don't usually look at the CAD, but anyway, so 3 weeks ago, boom, just like that. And boom, just like that. Now I got the hiccups coming, I don't know why. And you would have got short right in here somewhere. 61 pip stop, and it went down. There's your 2-to-1 right here. Okay? What happened in that week? Then we have a low and a lower low, don't we? We do. And a higher low, as you can see on the indicator of choice. You would have got long right here. Stop was 70. You would have got your 70. And then it would have been stopped out on your second half of the order. And that's it. There's nothing else. Just like when you go to the drive-thrus, they say, anything else? Anything else? And I say, nothing else. Nothing else. Crazy how they all say that. Oh, the drive-thru. What good times at the drive-thru. Okay. There's nothing else, right? No, nothing else. Okay, let's look at gold, man. Gold. 1, 2, 3 weeks ago is right here. Was there some divergence? You bet you, Skippy. Right there. Low and lower low. Or no, is that right? I guess it'd have to be this one. A little difficult on this one. Yeah, it's right there to right there. Yeah, that's one. That's one. I'm not making it up. Honest, that's one. No, I'm just kidding. Let's just make this better off. We'll just drag it over here. Okay? We'll drag this puppy over here. There, that looks more like one, right? Yeah. Come on. You can agree with me, eh? Okay. Would have got long right here. Okay? Or actually right here. Let me blow this up, man, so you can see it better. Okay, there's the divergence. You would have got long right in here. 41. What's the stop? 32. Hey, we got our 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And this dip down would have scared the shit out of you. But it worked if you would have held on. Okay, you got your 41 pips right there. Then we have more divergence? You betcha. Right here. Got a high and a higher high. Hi, how are ya? And we got a high and a lower high right here. Okay. We could have got short right there, man. 20. I think that's 238 pips, not 23 pips. So confusing with these stupid 5. Oh, it's gold. It's gold. Okay, now I know what I'm looking at. I was confused there. Sorry. Okay. You would have got in here. Your stop would have been 218 points, even though they call them pips here. Okay, I thought I was looking at currency. That's what confused me. Okay, 200 and whatever 20-point stop, and it went down 400. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. And then this week, ladies and gentlemen, okay, you're gonna take this puppy. You can take it right through all them wicks, man, right to there. Okay, and oh yeah. And right there, okay? And where did we get in? We would have, after this nice rally up right here, and then the pullback, somewhere right in there, we would have got in because it did cross over, okay? It crossed over because of the big bullish candle of 277.7 pips. Woo, that's 3 sevens, man. Woo! We would have won big time in the slot machine. Holy jeez, I just can't stop babbling on here today. Sorry about that. I hope some of you think I'm funny. Okay, would have got in here, Skip. Right here. 248 was the stop. It went up 300 and whatever, 50. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Once again, as I always show you and tell you, trade after trade is a success. Okay? Win after win, day after day. Hey. Divergence works, man. I'm telling you. I've been trading it and studying it for 9 years now. And for years before that, from 2007, okay, I was trying to look for it for 3 years and I couldn't find it. Until finally, somebody taught me how to see it in advance. That's the whole key to this, is to see it in advance. You can see it, so many people can see it after, long after the trade has gone and made the profits and you miss the trade. It's so critical that you know exactly what to look for in the chart and when to start looking for it. And that's what trips people up. People will say, oh yeah, they'll see my videos and they'll say, oh yeah, that's easy, I can do that, and they go and try and do it themselves, and they can't. Because first of all, I'll let in a little bit of a secret for you. This is not an arrow that pops up on your screen, okay? This is a technical chart pattern that you need to learn how to see it before you trade it. And a lot of people, they're too, I'm not going to call them lazy, it's just too hard. They find it too hard to look for these patterns on the chart, and they give up so easily. And when they don't know how to see them to begin with, okay, because nearly every new time you'll see different candles, you know, the way that they're plotted on the chart, the way price printed them, they're different all the time. So it's the same pattern like regular divergence. You'll see it over and over again. But when you see the candles, that form to create it, they look different on the chart. You know, they don't look exactly the same every time. They look different, probably 80% of the time or 70% of the time. But still, you need to know how to see the formation before you can get in and cash in from it. I hope I explained that as good as I could, and that's the way that works. So anyway, my mouth is so dry. Please excuse me. I could pause it, but I'm not gonna. So anyway, if you like this video, please click on the like button below the below the video in the video. Oh jeez, Jason. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, please hit the bell, click on the bell there, and if you want to learn more about divergence, please click on the link in the description box below the video. And I'd love to hear from you, and we can shoot this out here, how you trade divergence. So anyway, thank you for watching. Once again, this is Jason from Forex Trading Watchdog.